Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Protected. My name is Eric, and in today's episode, I want to go over 3 things that you should never have to pay for when you're getting a paint protection film package installed on your vehicle. So let's hop into it. All right, so the first thing that you should absolutely never have to pay extra for when you're getting PPF installed on your vehicle is wrapped edges. Wrapped edges should be standard amongst the paint protection film industry. I'm not sure why it's not. I'm not sure why companies are actually charging extra for this. It's absolutely ridiculous. And when you think of it, let's say you're gonna go and get a partial hood fender mirror bumper kit, partial front end kit as the industry calls it. You're gonna get that installed on your vehicle. Just think about this for a second. Without paying for wrapped edges, they're gonna install the PPF, and it's literally that. You're not gonna have edges wrapped around. So for example, the front facing edges of the fender and the hood, you're gonna have exposed paint. So you're gonna have paint protection on the first 18 to 24 inches of the hood, but the very first little bit of that rounded edge that's gonna take the most impact, albeit as small as it is not gonna be wrapped. This is absolutely ridiculous. There are shops out there that don't include wrapped edges, and that's the first thing that should be a red flag to you, is those wrapped edges should be included in the package. If the owner or whoever you're talking to, whether it's a salesman or saleswoman who's coming out there and giving you your price quotes, they give you 2 prices with your edges wrapped and then a price without your wrapped edges, that right there should be enough to get you to go somewhere else where it's already included in the price. If they got their pricing structure right, wrapped edges should automatically be included in the quote that they give you. All right, number 2, this is absolutely crazy, paint correction. So let's say you're bringing your vehicle to a shop and you want to get a full PPF wrap done in either a clear or a matte paint protection film. You should not be paying for a paint correction. Unless your vehicle is a number of years old and has really deep scratches, and I'm not talking like light scratches that you would get from an automatic car wash with the brushes. I'm talking like gouges where you can like take your thumbnail and you can actually feel it. Those things should obviously get fixed up before sealing them off with paint protection film. But just doing a full paint correction before putting on paint protection film is an absolute waste of time, and it's a waste of money. And the whole reason being is that paint protection film, due to its thickness and the high gloss of it, whether you're getting a high gloss clear film or whether you're getting a matte film, it actually acts as a band-aid, and it will actually hide the scratches, like 99% of them. It'll actually hide the scratches that are in the paint. So we've actually done a video about this in the past, and we're gonna link that video in the description below so you can check that out. But do not pay for paint correction. All right, and the third and final thing that is a red flag for me, and that I hope is gonna become a red flag for you when you go inquire with shops about getting PPF installed in your vehicle, is overselling paint protection film. Paint protection film is a sacrificial layer of protection that is designed to take the abuse of scratches, rock chips, stone chips, all kinds of road debris damage. The paint protection film is designed to take that abuse. Paint protection film can still chip, it can still get ripped, and the whole reason you're putting it on your vehicle is so the film takes the beating, not your paint. So when you're going to a paint protection film shop and they're talking to you about, oh yeah, you got a 10-year warranty, you're not gonna get stone chips, scratches, dents, all that kind of stuff, run for the hills. The paint protection film is still gonna get those things. Now, paint protection film being a much stronger product, being typically 8 to 10 mils thick, it's gonna have the ability to take impact from rocks, from tree branches, from shopping carts in a parking lot, from door dings. It's gonna have the ability to absorb that, and potentially whatever happens, there'd be no damage visible to you. And that's the benefit of paint protection film. But for the idea that paint protection film is gonna protect against everything and keep your vehicle completely shielded off from any kind of damage is absolutely absurd. Think about it this way. You're driving down the highway at 60, 70 miles an hour, and you got a vehicle coming towards you in the oncoming lane, and they kick up a rock at 60, 70, 80, who knows how fast they're going. They kick up a rock. That rock is going to hit your vehicle at that speed, and now no two rocks are the same size and shape, and it could very, very easily pierce the film if it's a super sharp rock and it hits at the right angle. So just to kind of recap this video, top 3 things that you should absolutely look out for as red flags when you're inquiring with shops about getting PPF installed is: number 1, don't pay for wrapped edges. Number 2, don't pay for a paint correction unless you want to have the peace of mind knowing that your paint is 100% perfect underneath. You shouldn't be paying for paint correction. And number 3, overselling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if you agree with me or you disagree with me, feel free to leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.